Oh no! What was that?
Gasp! The dirt is falling on my head! Wow! That is a big earthquake!
Are you okay, Milo? I am scared, Tilly.
My eyes are bad. What is happening? Ah! Watch out for the falling dirt! Ah! Ouch!
Where is the sweet honey? I am so hungry right now. I will dig the whole forest! Just you wait! I'll tear it all up!
The mud is everywhere.
Break! Ground! Break!
Cough. 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 The water is here. I cannot breathe in this dust. Oh, it is so cold. Move, please move. Help! Is anyone there? Is anyone there? The monster is breaking the roof! Milo! Do not come here! Run away!
Wait, did you hear that, Tilly?
Chirp!
We have to get ready.
Please be quiet for a second.
Hear what? I only hear the scary booms.
It is Grandma Hedgehog. She is crying. Water is in her room now.
We must save her, Tilly.
Yes, we will save her.
I will be your eyes, Milo. Let's go.
Follow me into the tunnel.
I am right behind you. This clay is so sticky.
It is hard to breathe in here.
Keep going, Milo. You are doing great.
Ouch! My poor head hurts.
Oops.
I am very sorry.
It is too dark here.
Achoo! The mud is everywhere. I feel squished right now.
Do not stop moving, Milo. I am so tired, Tilly.
Stupid rain. Stupid wet dirt. Stupid wet dirt. I smell the sweet honey. Nothing can stop me now. I will eat everything here. Ha! Ha!
am freezing cold now. I am too old today. The water is everywhere now. Please be safe, little Milo.
Oh no, a big root! We are trapped here forever.
Achoo! Very smelly.
Bless you.
This is bad.
My nose hurts so much.
It is very slippery here.
Whoa! Help me, please, Tilly. Are you okay down there?
I am very wet now.
The loud boom is close.
I cannot see anything anymore.
Ouch! My poor beak hurts.
The freezing water is here.
We cannot save her now. Wait a minute. What is that? Did the scary monster come?
No, please be quiet, Tilly.
I feel tiny footsteps moving.
They are going up fast. Going up? Where is up?
The ants are going up this way. Wow. Can we follow them? Stand back! I will open the door!
You are very brave, Tilly.
You did it! It is a secret path.
Wait! We must go back for Grandma! But the monster is up there! I will not leave her alone.
Help! Goodbye, my sweet forest. I must dig the mud very fast.
Gasp! Tilly, pull her right now!
Pull! Pull very hard!
Hurry! To the secret tree path.
Cough. My legs are too old.
Where is the delicious honey? Give it to me right now! Aha! Small animals down there. Gotcha.
Climb up the dry wood, quick! I am climbing, Milo. Keep going. You are doing great.
I smell you. Come here.
Oh no! Oh no! The monster is here!
Stupid dirt! Let me go! Arg! My paw hurts! What is this? Blub, blub, blub! Help! Ouch! I hate water. I am going home.
We are safe now.
We beat the monster! We are heroes!
What adventure should we have tomorrow? Tell us below.